welcome to Project Phase 2 demo on LoRa based accident detection system. Before going into the detailed information about the project, let me give a brief introduction. This project is an IoT based project. Aim of this project is to alert the information of accident to the nearby hospitals. To implement this project, we are using the following elements. Tilt sensor, which helps us to detect whether a vehicle has met with an accident or not. All these sensors are connected to a development board called ESP32 development board, and it is powered with the LoRa concept. GPS module. This module helps us to fetch geolocations, that is longitude and latitude of the place. These three elements plays very important role in implementing this topic. Here, with the help of the sensor, tilt sensor, we will sense whether a vehicle has met with an accident or not. This device returns the value 1 when vehicle position is normal. It returns the value 0 when its position got changed. It means when it is met with an accident, obviously the vehicle will have fallen. It returns the value 0. So tilt sensor is very important in taking the decision. This sensor is connected with our ESP32 development board, and this board receives the information and sends information to the nearby hospitals through LoRa technology. Along with this, we will send an SMS through gateway to alert the hospitals. Soon after receiving the SMS, they can log into their dashboard and get the detailed information of accident being occurred. So this is how this project works. Activity diagram. This diagram explains the various activities being carried out. Let me explain what are the activities of a transmitter. A transmitter is a module which is associated with the vehicle. What it does, it fetches the information from the tilt sensor, it processes the data and sends information to receiver. Receiver is an element which is present at other end, which is connected with the our centralized server. Let me explain. So this is the receiver. What it does, it receives the information being sent from sender, it processes the data and further uploads the information to centralized server. For this purpose, it uses Wi-Fi network. For communication between transmitter and receiver, we do not use Wi-Fi. Here LoRa plays important role. After having received information from the transmitter, receiver uses Wi-Fi to upload it to centralized server. Once it is uploaded to centralized server, it gets saved in the database through a table, and this information is shared to all nearby hospitals. The information includes the date, time and geolocation. When they tap on geolocation, they get to see the location through Google Map. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Sequence diagram. This diagram explains the various actions being carried out with respect to time interval. The first thing which is going to take place is fetching the information from the sensor. This job is done by our ESP32 module. It fetches the information, and the next thing is it sends this information through a LoRa enabled transmitter, and it is received by the receiver and gets saved in the centralized server. This is the second task. The third event is the information stored in the server is displayed to hospital persons. With the help of an Android app, they can fetch all this information. and these hospital people can further get the information of location just by tapping a link. When they tap a link called get location, through Google Map we will display the exact location of the accident occurred place. So these are the 5 things which are explained in this sequence diagram. Data flow diagram. So let me explain how the data flow diagram works. The first thing is the first shape which represents the actor, that is the first process, sorry, this is not an actor, it is a process. The first process is fetching the information from the sensor, and then it gets processed by ESP32 device, and then the information is sent through LoRa transmitter. The external entity here is LoRa transmitter, and then comes the receiver which receives data from the transmitter, and this receiver establishes connection with our Wi-Fi network and invokes a PHP script to save the information. The third event makes use of external entity LoRa receiver. The fourth thing is the receiver which connects with server and invokes a PHP script to store the information in database. And the last one is sending SMS to nearby hospitals, and in this project we are doing this with the help of an SMS gateway. Soon after receiving the SMS, they can log into their dashboard and get the information. This is all about data flow diagram. Let me explain the graphical user interface. This slide shows how our prototype looks like. It is having a breadboard, ESP32 development board, and a GPS module and a tilt sensor. With the help of jumper wires, we have connected all these things, and this module can be deployed in a vehicle. So we have uploaded the code and we have tested everything is working. This is how the prototype looks like. So this graphical user interface shows how our dashboard looks like. This is an Android application. The first screen shows the home screen. When they launch the app, this is the first screen having the statement accident detection system get displayed, and automatically it launches the second screen, that is the dashboard. It has 3 things: ID, date and time, location with a link. When they tap on a link called map, they get to see the exact location of the accident being occurred. So these are the front end of dashboard. This we have developed using Android Studio. Thank you very much for spending your time to listen to this demo. Have a nice day.